Most men can't hold eye contact for more than 2 seconds. They look down or look away. And without saying a word, they tell the world, "I don't belong here." Their eyes tell others that they are not comfortable, that they are nervous and awkward. But if you manage to sit in that discomfort and own it, you become attractive and intimidating. Let me tell you how you can maintain a calm and powerful eye contact without looking weak or too aggressive. A good eye contact isn't about locking in like a predator. It's neither about looking here or there. It's about being engaged. See, weak eye contact makes you look insecure, untrustworthy, and weak. People can sense it. They instantly know if you're dominant or submissive just by your eyes. So you have to find a balance in between. Instead of an unblinking stare, keep it natural. Hold eye contact when speaking and listening, but blink and look away occasionally to avoid making it awkward. Don't just keep staring. Maintain a good eye contact and then break it by looking sideways. Then again, make it. Keep doing it naturally by using the 80-20 rule. The rule is about maintaining eye contact 80% of the time and breaking it naturally 20% of the time. When you speak, lock in as if your words have weight, but learn to break your gaze too. If you stare non-stop, you'll seem aggressive and wanna be alpha. If you look away too much, you'll seem weak. Find the middle ground. Also, don't shift your focus from one eye to another eye of the next person. Just look in one eye or in the middle of the eyes, and while doing that, keep your eyes relaxed. It should all be natural. If you keep shifting eyes, you will look too impressed and overwhelmed by the next person. Only do that if intentional. You must know how to look away without looking nervous. There should be a purpose when you look away, like you are thinking something. Don't dart your eyes around. Don't start looking down. Instead, glance to the side casually, like you're thinking yet listening to them, not like you're escaping. Learn how to maintain eye contact according to the situation. In deep conversations, hold longer eye contact to show engagement. In casual ones, look around and keep it lighter and playful. And during confrontation with someone, hold your gaze, but don't overdo it. Your confidence should be calm and absolute, but not confrontational. The above 80-20 rule can be applied anywhere. Just change your mood and emotions according to the situation. Sometimes it is better to not make any eye contact at all, and if you are confident and intentional about it, you appear dominant and in control. Observe confident men, like leaders and actors. Watch how they use eye contact to draw people in, not push them away. These people don't have to say much. They just exist, and people feel them. Their presence is heavy, their aura is unshakable, and their eyes play a major role in all that. Their eye contact radiates energy and confidence. This energy is the fastest way to see if a man has control or if he is nervous and afraid. In this world of social media and texting, people have destroyed their social skills by never going out. They are only confident when they are online. In the real world, they can't even look into people's eyes while talking. Just try maintaining an eye contact with your friends or anyone. Do it consciously, and you will feel great. You will feel connected. Let me tell you, those eyes of yours are the gateway to your conviction. If you believe in yourself, the world will too. And if you don't, they'll see that too. For the next 7 days, I want you to never break eye contact first. Every conversation, every interaction, hold the gaze. And when your mind screams, look away, don't. Use the 80-20 rule naturally. Comment, "I am in" below if you accept the challenge, and every time you face a failure, come back here. Let's discuss what problems you faced and we will solve them together, brother to brother, man to man.